Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. In this video, I'll show you how to link your Social Club account to your Epic Games account, guys. I will show you step by step. Before we start, don't forget to hit the like buttons. Likes are very important for us, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, first of all, go to rockstargames.com. If you don't have an account, create an account, or if you have an account, just log into your account. Once you will log into your account, then you need to click the profile button right here and go to settings. When you go to settings and when you move on linked accounts page, you will see that there is no option to link your social club account to your Epic Games account. In this case, guys, we need to click this profile button again in the top right corner, go to help and support. Then you need to choose social club in the list, then click social club account right here, click account linking. And here we need to fill these gaps, guys. First of all, we need to enter our Epic Games ID. So to find your ID, just open Epic Games, click the profile button in the top right corner and go to account. You will be taken to epicgames.com website, and here you need to copy your ID, which is right here, and paste it here. In the description, you need to write the similar thing, guys. I want to link my Rockstar Games account to my Epic Games account. Once you will enter the description, then you can send the ticket, and you can see estimated response time is less than 24 hours. So you need to wait the response. They will link your Rockstar Games account to Epic Games account. So that's all I wanted to tell you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the like button. See you in the next video.